Okay, you're skinny. Hello.
Hi, for Tara.
Yeah, Tara.
Guys, we have to come here on Tuesday.
Oh, I like your fucking lights, bro.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, we have to come on Tuesday because this is
have
last
to.
night, and we should just pregame. Even if we obviously we're not gonna go to the bars New Year's
No,
Eve, but we
totally.
could go and pregame because it's $2 Tuesday. So
I
that means
agree.
We could go
We have to see Doug.
drink like three $2 shots,
could get
spend
there at, like,
$6.
7.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Spend,
so
like,
agree.
I agree.
We
Go
could
to
get there at
Jaws.
7, spend like literally $2 for $6, and then we can go wherever we're gonna go.
I agree. Great plan.
But we need to figure out a vibe.
I don't even have an outfit, and
Me
I'm
neither.
upset.
Should we go tomorrow? I can drive us to the
I
mall.
need a shirt. I want to get a
We
dress.
can go to
low-key.
Goodwill, but like chances are we won't
I
find
have a
anything.
dress at Target that I almost bought, but whatever.
Well, we could go anywhere tomorrow and go and find an outfit.
Okay. Yeah,
Alright,
let's
okay.
go.
Okay.
Let's go tomorrow.
Okay. I love Doug. We have to see him on Tuesday.
Am I skinny?
Even if it's at 7 p.m.
I want him to say, you're super skinny.
No, he said there's Twigs,
And they're
beautiful.
voluptuous.
No, he said Twigs, beautiful, voluptuous, and he said you're beautiful.
Ah. Yeah, because I don't have I'm not thick like
You
that.
better call
Yeah,
me
but you're not a
voluptuous.
twig. You're not like
Yeah.
scary skinny. I love him. Am I skinny though?
Am I skinny? Can you just tell me I'm skinny? That's all.
Wait, did we order an Uber to C&G?
No.
Okay, good. Well, we're
Sir-
driving right past
Sir,
it.
do you think I'm
Hold on,
skinny?
let me know.
You...
Do you think I'm skinny?
Not really. Not really.
You don't think I'm skinny?
That's fine.
No, you fat.
Wait, did you just say I'm fat?
I'm doing my legs.
Wait, do you think I'm skinny though?
Fat.
You don't think I'm skinny?
He doesn't
I
think you're
don't
fucking
think
skinny.
so.
Sarah.
I
How
think
many
it's
times?
fine.
You don't think I'm skinny?
Oh, skinny.
No,
Just-
you fat.
oh, you're fine. You're fine. You're totally fine. To me.
Totally good.
Wait, so am I
Yeah.
skinny though?
She wants you to say that you're skinny.
Wow.
You won't say it even though he knows you want you to say it.
You know.
You won't even say it when you want you to say it.
Am I fat?
No, you're not fat.
Oh, yeah.
You're not. You're not fat. Yeah.
Wait, you don't think I'm skinny?
I mean, I think you're fine right now. Yeah.
Wait, so I'm not skinny?
Maybe not in his eyes.
Technically.
You fat.
Technically what?
Technically, you know.
Technically you're not fucking skinny. Technically
Well, you're good. Hey, you're good. You're good.
I'm good.
You're good. You know.
But I'm not skinny?
Technically, you're fucking.
What? Why are you laughing?
No. I mean, you're in shape. You're in shape.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But-
you're in shape.
But am I skinny?
Hey, I don't want to use the word. You are in shape. I like that. Okay. Let's say that.
So I'm wait, do I need to lose weight?
No, you don't need to. You don't need to.
So am I not skinny?
He's having a
Tara,
hard time
let
with
it
this
go.
one.
Okay. Alright.
Why would you tell me I'm skinny?
Hey, give me 3 minutes, okay? Alright? Give me 3 minutes.
I don't decide if you're skinny or fat.
You need 3 minutes to decide if I'm skinny or fat.
No, you're fine. Don't worry. Don't
Oh,
worry.
I'm fat. Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm not skinny though. I'm fat.
You're fine.
I'm fine.
You're
in
fine.
between.
You're fine.
You're between voluptuous and skinny.
Yeah. Oh.
Two.
Okay, but like, what's skinny to you though?
Hey, do you know where this one?
Oh my god, look at these cool these glasses. They make the lights in here fucking snowflakes.
Right?
Gimme.
Here.
Here.
Oh, let me get these towels.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're all gonna be in them. Okay, yeah.
If I wear these glasses, if what about if you wear these glasses, would I look skinny?
Are they
Mine are snowflakes.
Okay, good.
What's your name?
Aaron.
Aaron, if you wore these glasses, would I look skinny?
Erin, please ignore her skinny comments because she's just.
Aaron, I want to look skinny.
She's just.
Thank you.
Yeah, exactly.
Do the lights change to red?
Dude,
or pink
Aaron,
or
do you
blue?
see these fucking snowflakes out of these glasses?
Yeah.
Nelly, they look like snowflakes.
Oh, they do change. Woohoo! Thank you.
Wow.
Wait, guys, put it.
Put them. Okay, you got it. She got it.
How is it?
Wait. Oh, snowflakes!
Okay.
This is what we're seeing, you guys. It's fucking snowflakes up in here. Snowflake, you see that snowflake? Look at that right there. Aaron, have you seen the snowflakes before too?
Oh yeah. Of course.
Oh yeah.
That's dope.
Sorry.
You're the best, Erin.
Oh, thank you.
Ignore Tara and her skinny comments.
Aaron, why won't you just call me skinny? Because I'm not skinny. Aaron thinks I'm fucking fat.
No, you're
Skinny
not.
isn't a good phrase in the United States.
Mm-hmm.
It means you're fat. When someone says no.
So what's if it's not skinny, then what's skinny? Like I just want to be skinny.
You wanna be skinny?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
You
I
can't
want to be
comprehend the fact
Aaron.
that you
Duh, I want to be skinny.
You can't
Hey,
comprehend
you're
that.
fine.
I'm fine, but why won't you call me
Skinny
skinny?
is not good. Skinny is
Yeah.
you can't afford food. Skinny is.
But Aaron,
skinny.
I can't afford food. But like am I skinny or no?
No, bitch. How many times have
Oh,
you
Aaron does not.
think I'm skinny.
You're not. Yeah.
So basically, my Uber driver, Aaron, doesn't want to call me skinny.
You're gonna take off your Uber
Aaron,
glasses.
please.
Hey, okay, you're skinny.
Oh, here's good.
Yeah,
Okay.
out of his car, Aaron.
Okay, get out of here. Just kidding.
Wait, give him your glasses.
Yeah, right.
Wait, there you go.
All right. All right,
I love
guys.
you, Aaron.
Oh,
We
thank
love
you.
you, Aaron.
Yeah.
Have a fabulous night.
Just make sure to call everyone skinny. We love
Oh yeah, of course.
We
Okay.
love you. We love you,
Woo.
Aaron. Have a fabulous night.
Oh yeah, you too.
Happy holidays.
Happy holiday, guys. 힘들어. 힘든데. Oh my god, 쟤네들 씨, 과자 존나 안 들려. 이런 씨, 과자를 졸라 알렸네. 내가 이래서 안에서 과자 먹는 사람을 싫어하는데 언제 먹었어? 아니 진짜 포테이토 칩을 미치겠다 진짜. 내가 별 리뷰도 벌써 해버렸네. 아이씨 이런 씨. 아이고 이게 뭐야 이거 씨. 안 먹었습니다.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all